What if I told you that one simple kitchen ingredient could help you fight off roaches, ants, spiders, mice, bedbugs, and even more than 30 different types of pests without needing toxic sprays or expensive traps? Stay with me, because in this video, we're going to uncover a surprising home remedy that most people overlook. Okay? Let's talk about it. If you have ever had to deal with creepy crawlies in your home, you know the frustration. Roaches in the kitchen, ants marching through your pantry, spiders in the corners, maybe even mice sneaking around. It feels like a never-ending battle. Most of us rush to the store and grab whatever bug spray or chemical we can find. But here's the problem. Those products often come with strong odors, harsh chemicals, and potential risks for your kids, pets, or even your own health. That's where baking soda comes in. Yep, that little white powder sitting in your kitchen cabinet is more than just something you use for baking cookies or deodorizing your fridge. It turns out, baking soda is one of the most underrated all-natural pest control solutions out there. And in today's video, I am going to show you exactly how to use baking soda to deal with over 30 different kinds of pests. We'll cover the science behind it, practical step-by-step tips, and some clever hacks you can try today. All right, let's dive in. I'll break this down by different pests so it's easy to follow. Roaches. Roaches are tough survivors, right? But they can't handle baking soda. Here's why. When roaches eat baking soda mixed with sugar, the reaction inside their stomach produces gas. Roaches can't release gas, so they literally can't survive it. DIY trap. Mix equal parts baking soda and sugar, sprinkle it along baseboards, under the fridge, or anywhere you've seen roaches. The sugar lures them in, the baking soda does the work. Ants follow scent trails. Baking soda messes with those trails and can even kill them if they eat it. Quick fix. Mix baking soda with powdered sugar, about 1:1 ratio. Place small amounts in bottle caps or shallow lids near ant entry points. The ants carry it back to their colony, and that's the end of the trail. Spiders. Now, spiders don't eat sugar like ants or roaches, but baking soda still works as a deterrent. They hate it. Hack. Sprinkle baking soda around windowsills, door frames, and corners where you've spotted webs. It acts like a barrier they avoid crossing. Mice. Yes, even mice. Baking soda can be lethal for rodents when they ingest it. Similar to roaches, the gas buildup becomes fatal. Trick. Mix baking soda with flour and a little cocoa powder. Place small bowls in areas where you've seen droppings. Just make sure pets can't get to it. Bedbugs. This one is huge because bedbugs are notoriously hard to kill. While baking soda won't wipe out an infestation overnight, it can help dry out their shells and eggs. Use. Sprinkle a generous layer around the edges of your mattress, under your bed, and along cracks in the wall. Leave it for a few days, then vacuum thoroughly. Repeat weekly until the problem fades. Mosquitoes and flies. Baking soda can help here too. DIY spray. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with water in a spray bottle. Add a few drops of lemon juice. Spray it around doorways, windows, and outdoor sitting areas. The smell repels mosquitoes and flies naturally. Termites. If you've got termites, that's serious, but baking soda can help as part of your strategy. Use. Mix baking soda with water into a paste and apply it along wood cracks or holes where you suspect activity. It helps dehydrate and kill small colonies, beetles, and other crawlers. Sprinkle baking soda directly onto carpets, rugs, or along baseboards. Vacuum after a few hours. This helps with beetles, carpet bugs, and even fleas. So far, we've covered the big five: roaches, ants, spiders, mice, and bedbugs, plus a few extras. But here's the wild part. Baking soda can actually help with over 30 different pests. Here's a quick list to give you perspective. Roaches, ants, spiders, mice, bedbugs, mosquitoes, flies, termites, beetles, fleas, silverfish, wasps, deterrent, moths, gnats, ticks, centipedes, earwigs, aphids, garden use, slugs, snails, caterpillars, crickets, scorpions, deterrent barrier, weevils, worms in garden soil, maggots, hornets, limited deterrent, fruit flies, millipedes, bed mites. That's over 30 pests, all of which can be controlled, reduced, or repelled with simple baking soda strategies. All right. So here's the most surprising part. Baking soda doesn't just kill or repel pests. It actually works as a preventive shield. When you sprinkle baking soda around baseboards, in dark corners under your sink or in your garden soil, it creates an invisible barrier. Many pests won't even cross it. Think of it as drawing a line around your home that bugs and rodents just don't want to step over. And here's the kicker. It's non-toxic for humans when used responsibly. No harsh chemicals, no expensive sprays, no dangerous fumes. Just something you probably already have in your kitchen right now. That's why baking soda is considered one of the best budget-friendly, all-natural pest control hacks out there. So, what did we learn today? That little orange box of baking soda in your pantry isn't just for cookies, toothpaste hacks, or deodorizing your fridge. It's actually one of the most powerful, all-natural pest control tools you can use at home. From roaches and ants to spiders, mice, bedbugs, and even dozens more, baking soda can help protect your home in a safe, cheap, and effective way. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor. Hit that like button so more people can discover this easy solution. Drop a comment below and let me know. Which pest is your biggest problem right now? Roaches, ants, mice, or something else? I'd love to hear your story. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more natural home remedies, health hacks, and everyday tips that actually work. Thanks for watching. And remember, sometimes the simplest solutions are the most powerful.